Now, International Monetary Fund is one of the most important organizations in the world. It's a financial organization. It's an international organization of 188 countries. Remember this, 188, 188 देश हैं इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड में. और इनका काम क्या है देखते हैं. फॉस्टर ग्लोबल मॉनेटरी कॉपरेशन, सिक्योर फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी, फैसिलिटेट इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड में हेल्प करना, promote high employment and sustainable growth, and reduce poverty around the world. ये रिडक्शन ऑफ पॉवर्टी अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, ये वर्ल्ड बैंक का भी सबसे मेन काम है. और आईएमएफ, इट वाज फॉर्म्ड इन 1944 एट द ब्रेटन वुड्स कॉन्फ्रेंस. ब्रेटन वुड्स कॉन्फ्रेंस में ही आईएमएफ और वर्ल्ड बैंक दोनों बने थे. और आईएमएफ और वर्ल्ड बैंक दोनों को ही बोलते हैं ब्रेटन वुड्स ट्विंस, यानी जुड़वा है. वर्ल्ड बैंक और आईएमएफ दोनों was a product of Bretton Woods. So remember this, and remember the year also, 1944. It was established on 27 December 1945 with 29 members. So initially International Monetary Fund had 29 members, but now there are 188 members. Its headquarters is at Washington DC. Its present managing director is Christine Lagarde. She is a French lawyer, so she is French, and there are regional offices at Paris and Geneva. By the way, Christine Lagarde visited India very recently, and she had also visited Shri Ram College for a conference. Now, International Monetary Fund was formed with the following objective. First was to stabilize exchange rates, and second is to assist the reconstruction of the world's international payment system post the World War II. In fact, World Bank too and IMF both had very similar roles initially, but the exchange rate was the main objective of the World Bank. But now the role of IMF is managing the economic policy rather than just the exchange rate. So it has a much bigger role in the present world. Now, low income countries can borrow on concessional term. There is a period of time with no interest rate through the ECF, which is the extended credit facility, SCF, which is the standby credit facility, and third is the rapid credit facility. So the low income countries, the developing countries, can also borrow money from the International Monetary Fund. So International Monetary Fund also provides non-concessional loans, which has interest rates as follows. Now these are the four parameters. First is the standby arrangement, second is the flexible credit line, third is the precautionary and liquidity line, and fourth is the extended fund facility. These are the ways to provide non-concessional loans also. Now it provides emergency assistance to all its members facing urgent balance of payment needs through the newly introduced rapid financing instrument. So to become a member of IMF, a country must apply and then be accepted by a majority of the 188 members. Each member is assigned a quota based on its relative size of their economy upon joining. A member's quota determines the maximum amount of financial resources. A member must pay its subscription, 25% to be paid in the IMF's own currency called as special drawing rights, and the remaining 75% in the member's own currency. Now each member of IMF has 250 basic votes and one additional vote for each SDR, which is the special drawing rights, 1 lakh of quota. So top 5 members of IMF based on their voting power are सबसे पहले है United States of America, which owns roughly 16.75 voting power, then Japan, then Germany, then France, and then UK. So just like Asian Development Bank, the most powerful members are United States and Japan in terms of voting rights. Let's talk about India. India has 58952 votes. Now all this is including the SDR, and India has only 2.34% voting power. So to be honest, India does not have much say. Now Palau is the last member country having voting power of 0.01%. So it has one of the least, it's the last member, and only 281 votes. So the amount of finance that a member can obtain from IMF is based on its quota. तो IMF से आपको पता है IMF से हम लोन ले सकते हैं, फाइनेंस करा सकते हैं, और वो कितना मिलेगा ये एक फार्मूला है दो तरह के लोन होते हैं, एक होता है स्टैंड बाय लोन. स्टैंड बाय लोन विल बी 200% ऑफ अ कंट्रीज कोटा. नाउ एवरी कंट्री हैज इट्स फिक्स कोटा. उससे ज़्यादा लोन उन्हें नहीं मिल सकता. अगर वो स्टैंड बाय लोन है तो 200% मिल सकता है उन्हें, और अगर एक्सटेंडेड अरेंजमेंट लोन है वो मिल सकता है 600% ऑफ इट्स कोटा. इस साल अप्रैल 2015 में आईएमएफ ने यह भी बोला था कि इंडिया का जीडीपी ग्रोथ 7.5% होगा और ये चाइना को भी सरपास कर